Master your day with a day planner. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where learning English is engaging, easy, and effective. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and use of the term day planner. Stay tuned to learn how this simple tool can help you organize your day. A day planner is a book or electronic device that helps you to organize your daily activities. It's essentially a calendar with sections for every day of the week, where you can write down tasks, appointments, and other important reminders. Think of it as your personal assistant, keeping track of your daily to-dos. Day planners come in various formats, but they all share common features that make planning your day simpler. Most will have a calendar, a to-do list, space for notes, and sometimes even areas to track your goals and priorities. The key is that a day planner allows you to see your day at a glance. To make the most of your day planner, start by jotting down your fixed appointments. Then, list out tasks you want to achieve. Prioritize them and check them off as you go. Remember, consistency is key. Review and update your planner regularly to stay on track. In today's digital age, you might wonder whether to choose a digital day planner or stick to the traditional paper version. Both have their advantages. Digital planners are easily accessible on various devices, while paper planners can be more tangible and satisfying to use. Choose what works best for you. And that's a wrap on day planners. Whether you prefer digital or paper, using a day planner can greatly enhance your productivity and help keep your life organized. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more content and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Happy planning, and see you in the next one.